Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to change aspect ratio in CapCut, alter aspect ratio for videos, easy CapCut tutorial. So for us to be able to begin, just open the desktop app of your CapCut onto your device. So once you're already in here, just click on to start editing or choosing the video or project wherein you want to go ahead and alter the aspect ratio. For example, this one, I'm currently in onto the editing page already and I have imported a video as well that I want to use. So if you haven't added your own video, just click onto import in here to browse onto your different files onto your device. Now, once you have already added your video in here, we're gonna need to add that onto the timeline. So we're gonna simply drag and drop it in here. And once you have gone ahead and added the clip in here, so as you can see, this one is on a different ratio. To update the ratio for this, we'll have to click onto the clip and then click on ratio in here. So there are a lot of options to choose from. We have the original, we have custom, or the different templates in here. So for example, if you want to opt for a landscape mode, so we have 4:3 in here. We also have this one, 2:1, so it will automatically adjust onto the chosen ratio in here. But if you're editing for phone, we have aspect ratios in here for phone as well, such as 9:16 and 3:4. So as you can see, it will automatically update it for you. And if you choose for custom in here, just click onto custom and then you could go ahead and simply add it in here or adjust the aspect ratio in here, or you could type it in here, the resolution. So if you choose custom, there are much more options in here wherein you could also update the resolution for that together with its aspect ratio. So just click on to save once done. And for example, we're gonna opt for 4:3. It should go ahead and look something like that. And once you're already satisfied, just simply click on to export. And that is how to change aspect ratio in CapCut. If you think this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.